Adaeze, welcome back to my channel. So today I am sharing with you guys my fall home decor haul. I am so excited to share with you everything that I have seen and purchased out in the stores. If you saw my shop with me video, then you know that I've been debating about what colors to use this fall. There's so many pretty colors, from cerulean to wine to mustard and even burnt orange, which I am not a traditional person when it comes to using traditional fall colors. But this year I was like, these colors are gorgeous. So I did narrow it down. I couldn't just do one, guys. I just couldn't. So I decided to do two colors, and so I'm going to share with you guys what that is, because I have everything here with me, and I'm just going to kind of switch it out, you know, throughout the season and just kind of play with it, you know. So the first thing I'm going to share with you guys is this beautiful cerulean pillow that I picked up at Home Goods. It is so pretty. This is the one that I saw and I was like, I might want to do cerulean. You know, it's a beautiful color and I've never done it before. So you guys know I usually stick to my pinks and my mauves, but I'm going to be incorporating this year. So I thought this was really pretty. It was only $24.99 for this size pillow. And then also they also had the little smaller version of it, which was like $16.99. But I mean, for the price to just get one that's about like this size, you might as well just get the whole thing. So sticking in that family, of course I had to get some decor pillows to match. So I picked up a set of these and a set of two really nice accent pillows to match with that color scheme. I have two of these. I also have this beautiful pillow right here. Now this pillow incorporates all the colors. It has my cerulean, a little aqua, some gold, and some ivory earth tone, because that room in there is very neutral. But isn't this gorgeous? Do you see the details? Absolutely love it. And they only needed one because those other two pillows are the ones that's going to be accented on the side of it. But I love this and I love the size. I think this is like a 24 by 24 pillow. But yeah, found this at Home Goods. Absolutely gorgeous. Although they have all the pillows in those colors and stuff, it was really hard for me to find a throw, so I ordered one online. This came from Wayfair. Do you see the detail, the texture? So I like throws that have texture in them, and you can really see it, and it's gonna be really pretty. I'll throw it across my sofa. But it is really nice size. It's super soft, guys. Like, I absolutely love this. So this is gonna complement that over there. And then the last accent that I needed to go with that color was some florals, because you can't, you know, you can't add a new accent color without having the florals to kind of complement it, right? So I've already put these in this vase, but these are the florals here. I found these at Michael's. It's two sets. I have these tall stems here, which were $9.99, and then I just got some pretty roses, but this has like deep shades of green and then light shades of green in it, and I think it's gonna be like really pretty. Let me see if I can grab this pillow to kind of show you guys. All right, so you see, can you see the coordination of the colors and how it's so pretty? I'm so excited. I'm actually gonna start adding all this stuff once I get through with this video. You guys know that how much I love blush pink, and each year I just seem to add a deeper tone of it. So last year I added mauve. I'm gonna show you the pillows that I have for that. So I already had these. I showed these to you last year, right? So this year, the second color that I decided to incorporate is wine. Isn't that pretty? Can you just see the two together? It's just so gorgeous. I love it. So I'm gonna also be doing wine. I figure I would start off with cerulean and end with wine, because my Christmas colors are gonna be mauve and wine this year. Last year was my first year doing mauve, so of course I'm gonna do it again, because we don't buy Christmas decorations just for one season, okay? So towards the end of fall, I will change into this color, which is going to transition through the rest of the season. But I absolutely love the wine color. It's so pretty. And I also found this pillow here, which is a pretty mauve pumpkin pillow. Home Goods had all the pillows and all the colors this year. So I like this one. It has gold in it and ivory, which are my two base colors but it's gonna be so gorgeous, so gorgeous. Can you see it? Tell me down below if y'all get the vision. Let me know. So I was in Hobby Lobby, and I think one of the biggest things that made me realize that I had to go with wine was when I saw these pumpkins here, and they're trying not to come out. when I saw these pumpkins right here on this stem, I fell in love. I did. This is beautiful. I absolutely love these. I also saw them in the mauve color at Hobby Lobby. So pretty. And so when I put it together, it just melts my heart. Y'all, I love this. Like, this is my heart. So I'm definitely gonna be adding and incorporating these. I mean, these were only $6.99, and then they're 40% off as well. So I mean, they were like, I guess like $4 a stem, which is actually good because these are like little velvet, seem like styrofoam pumpkins on the stem, but so pretty. I also picked up some other stems from Michael's, and these are the mauve and wine hydrangeas. I wanted to make sure that my florals coordinated over here as well. So these are really pretty, beautiful. Do you see the detail? It's got all of my shades in it. So gorgeous. So I'm going to be using these. I did also find a candle. This is appleberry pumpkin, and it smells so good. Woo, it smells really good. This one was $14.99, but you know, in comparison to my Bath and Body Works candles, this was actually a good deal because the size of it is, I want to say, almost twice the size of the Bath and Body Works candles, but it's gonna go perfect with my decorations. Now, somebody commented in my in one of my videos and said that they never buy their candles based on the color of the container. I don't buy it only for the sole purpose of having the container to match. You know, it has to smell good too. If the color, you know, matches and it stinks, I'm gonna leave it. But I do like for my candles to coordinate with my color scheme, because when you're decorating your coffee table, you know, it just kind of helps everything to be cohesive, you know, when you're styling and everything. So with that being said, I don't know if you saw my other video, so I'm just gonna share with you some of my fall candles. This is Raspberry Mimosa, which is actually a year-round candle, but I love the color of the packaging. This mauve is perfect. Like, come on, tell me that you don't have your candles to match your decoration, okay? So it actually smells amazing though, so I'm glad that it does smell good and it coordinates. Next, the next candle is whipped coffee. I love the color of this as well. As you guys see, I'm loving all the earth tones. So when I saw the packaging on this and I smelled it, I wanted it. It actually smells like good whipped coffee, you guys. If you've been here for a while, you know I love my coffee in the morning. So to have this burning and to be sipping my coffee, it's gonna be a whole vibe. I also picked up white pumpkin, which is just really nice and clean. Smells really good. It's a beautiful fall candle, and it's a newer one. So those are my candles. Now for the pumpkins. So this pumpkin right here came from Hobby Lobby. It was $19.99, 40% off. I think maybe like 12 to 14, somewhere in that range. But you guys see it has the white and gold stripe. So not only do they have it in gold, but they also have it in silver. So I got it in white and silver as well because, you know, I like to mix metals. I have gold, I have silver flowing all throughout my house. So I like that I have both of these in silver and in gold. Now for my kitchen this year, I think I'm gonna let it stay pretty neutral and just add in some pretty greenery because I'm really liking the whole, I'm looking at it now, my whole white and green aesthetic in there is just keeping it really clean, especially since I have a dark kitchen, you know. So I bought these. Isn't it pretty? So this is a deep army green, and then this is a more like a light olive green, but they're so pretty. These were at Home Goods. Really good price too. This larger one was only $7.99, and then I think this one was $9.99. But I love the shape of these velvet pumpkins. They're so pretty, and they look so luxe. They just look really, really nice. So I'm gonna add these in my kitchen space, which you guys will see once I start decorating the kitchen for fall. Randomly in Hobby Lobby, not even looking for this, I ran across this large size apple, and I said that I wanted it. I don't know, it's just something about it was just beautiful to me. So I'm gonna be adding this in with my fall decoration, of course. If you follow me on IG, then you've already seen me use this in a few of my kitchen reels. But I really love it, and it's so big. And surprisingly, I think it was the only one that I saw in there, but it was $17.99. It was the week of, I think, 50% off. Yeah, the week I got this, it was 50% of all, you know, table decor, because you know how they switch from table decor to wall decoration. So it was only like $8. Really cute. Y'all will actually see this floating throughout my kitchen throughout all the seasons. It's not really a seasonal item. You can use this any time of the year: fall, spring, winter, summer. It just depends on what you accent it with. So also at Hobby Lobby, they had these gold candle holders. I got 2 varying heights. I like to play with, you know, different heights. I already took the tag off of them because I was about to start decorating, but they weren't that expensive. Maybe between maybe $12 to $10, you know, each. But these were really cute, so I'll be styling my coffee table or vignettes or something like that with these. So lastly, I actually do have another color, but this is the color of my guest bedroom. It is navy and gold. So they also had the pumpkin stems in this pretty blue velvet. So I bought these to just kind of add on there because my mom, she always comes and kind of stays with us throughout the holiday season. So I'm just going to add a little bit of fall decor in there, like just a small little vignette. But these were so cute. I just love how they had these in like so many different colors, y'all, and they're so pretty. So you're gonna see all these little pumpkin stems floating all throughout my house. So that is everything that I picked up so far for fall. Of course, this is probably going to be the first of a few hauls because I do have some more areas that I've been thinking about adding to. And then as I go out, I'm constantly seeing things, and I just want to add, you know, some more stuff probably. So then I will do another haul and share with you guys, of course. And then we've got some decorate with me's coming along, so you can see how I'm going to be using all of these items in my spaces. So make sure that you guys are tuned in for that. You have your notification bells on. If you are new to my channel, I would love to have you to join and hit the subscribe button down below and become part of the Daisy fam bam, you know. So thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, daisies.